Eggs are delicious and extremely versatile. But the one question that everybody faces is that should I eat a boiled egg or should I go for an omelette? Which one is good for health? And this doubt arises because someone had told them or they have read it somewhere that boiled eggs has more protein and nutrients in them than fried eggs or omelettes. When I joined the gym for the first time, my seniors in the gym had also advised me that to build a muscular body, I need to eat eggs in boiled form. Omelets won't just do the job. So in this video, let's clear this uncertainty once and for all and try to understand the science behind all of it. People have this notion that anything that tastes good is probably bad and anything that is not pleasing to the taste buds must be healthy. Though this is true most of the time, but that is not the case always. Just because omelettes are better in taste doesn't make them unhealthy. Research and science say that boiling and frying eggs does make a difference in their chemical structure and thus there can be a change in the nutritional value. So yes, there can be a change in protein, vitamin, fats and carbs depending on the cooking technique used on the egg. But again, a question arises. Is this difference or change very significant? The answer is no. Research results show that there is a very negligible amount of changes in nutrients when using different cooking styles. It's actually less than 1%. Frying the egg in oil or butter does not destroy or lower its nutritional value. So we can easily say that protein content in boiled eggs is equal to the protein content in omelettes. Though frying the egg in oil does add additional calories to it. This additional calorie or fat depends on what kind of oil or butter you are using for frying. So if you are somebody who is in a hurry to lose weight, I would recommend eating things which are less in calories. One additional piece of advice to all the egg lovers and fitness enthusiasts out there is that please do not eat raw eggs. Raw eggs contain pathogens which will make you sick. Earlier people used to think that eating eggs raw would give them extra benefits. Even in popular movies we would see that the protagonist would eat raw eggs before training for a boxing match. But all these are just a myth. Always cook your eggs thoroughly before having them because cooking results in better digestion and absorption in your body. Cooking also kills the pathogens which might make you sick. In the end, it all comes down to your choice and taste. Whatever tastes better, go for that. Personally, any kind of egg dish makes me super happy. Moreover, I love omelettes more than boiled eggs and I always enjoy eating them without any kind of doubt in mind. So you too should eat what you enjoy, be it omelette, poached egg, fried egg or boiled egg. Never hold back on things that make you happy. And if this video made you happy, you can always like, share and subscribe to share a part of that happiness with me. My name is Akash and thank you for watching.